If you're looking for a place that serves more than just great food, Oasis Kitchen Café is calling your name. Tucked inside the historic Anson County Training School, this local gym has become one of Wadesboro's most meaningful and most delicious destinations. Oasis stands for overcoming all situations in society, and that spirit fills the entire cafe. Every meal you enjoy here helps support a powerful mission, a scripture-based recovery program that's changed lives right here in the community. Many of the team members serving you today once walked through the Overcomers program themselves. Now they're thriving, leading, and pouring that same hope back into every guest who walks through the door.
Why didn't you get one of these? Hey, whoa. There goes the food right there, you can see it. Oasis Cafe. They were good the last time. They got the mac and cheese. I'm gonna take some of her mac and cheese. And she took some of my stuff. We get a dessert. We both got the cake with the chocolate on it. She got tea and I Diet Coke. Oasis Cafe, check them out. Wadesboro, North Carolina. Serving up some delicious eats for you. I give it a 10 out of 10.